4K flex on the wall. BenQ TK710STi laser projector. Game hard, watch big, burn lamps never. Say goodbye to movie nights and laggy gaming, it's time to laser blast your eyeballs with brilliance. The BenQ TK710STi isn't just a projector, it's a 4K home theater flex cannon with a gaming twist. Packed with 3200 ANSI lumens and a short throw laser that turns any wall into an IMAX-lite paradise, this beast defies ambient light like a vampire dodging garlic. Movie marathon with lights on? No problem. Fortnite showdown with daylight pouring in? Still crisp, still savage. It's cinema-meets-esports, and it fits your living room without the setup drama. What makes this rig an instant MVP? Try 4 milliseconds response time at 240 Hz, and tell your eyes to keep up. It's not just smooth, it's liquid lightning. Most projectors lag behind like your grandma in a footrace, but the TK710STi stays locked in with near zero input delay, even at 4K 60. HDR10 and HLG? Yep. Dynamic contrast and 95% Rec. .709 color? Also yes. Whether you're raiding dungeons, watching Wakanda rise, or vibing to vintage anime, every frame pops like it was hand-painted by a team of caffeinated Pixar interns. One cable. One remote. One epic content binge. The Android TV built-in is a full-fledged entertainment hub with Chromecast, Netflix, Prime, and AirPlay support, no external streaming sticks or fire hazards needed. Your grandma could run this thing. Want to game in HDR FPS mode with clearer dark corners to spot enemies? Done. Prefer RPG visuals dripping in cinematic glow? There's a mode for that, too. 3D keystone and 1.2x zoom make it stupid easy to align, even if you set it up sideways in a weird room. Tired of changing fragile, flickering bulbs? Yeah, same. This laser-driven monster has ultra-durable longevity, meaning fewer maintenance costs and zero awkward mid-movie blackouts. It's tech-tested, high-spec, and built like a tank disguised as a premium AV gadget. You're getting top-tier performance that rivals pro-level installations, without the pro-level wallet hemorrhage. Compared to clunky lamp projectors, the TK710STi saves you hundreds in long-term replacements and time wasted on recalibration. In a world full of overpriced smart projectors that either lag or lack luster, the BenQ TK710STi stands out as the rare breed that delivers on all fronts. Whether you're gaming on a PS5, watching 4K Marvel marathons, or flexing Dolby Atmos through EARC, this projector doesn't play, it slays. It's sharp, slick, fast, and future-proof. So why settle for a glorified flashlight when you could own the laser cannon of your living room dreams?